Hey John, what's your favorite number?
0!
Why?
It's how many times she's liked me back.
The first 0 was 4 to 5,000 years ago by the ancient Sumerians. It was used as a placeholder in large numbers, and it would look like this.
This boy.
But about 500 years after the Babylonians, the Maya developed 0 as a placeholder for their calendars.
Two different societies on the other side of the world both invented placeholders, but what about 0 as we know it today?
The first man to use 0 like we do today was Persian mathematician Mohammed ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, who suggested that a little circle be used in calculations if no number appeared in the tens place. This was called Sefer, meaning empty. 0 was critical to al-Khwarizmi, who used it to invent algebra in the 9th century. When 0 arrived in Europe, it was banned for being satanic.
Satan. Care to elaborate?
No!
So, was 0 invented or discovered?
I say invented.
People have been doing math for centuries, but they haven't been able to do all the math we do today because they didn't have 0. The placeholder could only take them so far, but it restricts them from doing some problems. My man Mohammed discovered and coined the idea of 0, which has allowed us to do the math we love today.
I say it was invented. The idea of nothing has always been around. We just didn't have a number to represent it. 0 was invented by my man Mohammed to represent the idea of nothing in math.
I guess we don't agree. We're gonna have to consult a higher mind. Oh, flip.
Oh no! Oh,
Get out!
Hey John, hey Declan. Did we discover or create 0? I don't think we created 0 in the sense we didn't create the idea of nothingness. Nothingness exists whether or not we have a mathematical notation for it. What we did create over a number of times in human mathematical history was the symbol or the numeral for 0. That is, we have this circle that is used to denote in the Hindu notation, which is the system that we use today, a decimal which has a decimal base that is a base 10, and positional notation. So for example, 43 is 4 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place, and we also have a ciphered symbol for each of the numerals. That is, we have a unique symbol from 0 to 9. So there were periods of time where we did not have the 0, and we could sometimes confuse numbers like 22 with 220, for example. Hope that helps.
In conclusion, sorry Hosmer, we believe you're wrong.
And this is a philosophical question, so the answer is up to you.
You.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Was it created or invented? That was my impression of this. Go ahead.